Hi, my name is Jared Kudzier. I'm in the online section of CSC3750, and this is my website for the project called Lost in Space. For my site, I have a CSS-generated common header, navigation bar, as well as a footer with an email link and a CSS verified icon on each page. The background is also a repeating image that is also set in CSS. Each of the pages I have on my site start with a brief description or explanation of their purpose. They discuss some of the concerns that I think people might have when first considering going into astrophotography or amateur astronomy in general. It's a pretty intimidating hobby. It can be very, very expensive and it can require a lot of math. So a lot of people shy away from this. But with some of the information that I hope to portray through my site, some of those fears can possibly be handled a little bit better. So on the home page, I have an opening description as well as a link, an image link to a website called Clear Sky Charts. This is the Clear Sky Chart for my area in Detroit, Michigan. If the user clicks on this page, or this image, it'll take them to the website where they can create their own Clear Sky image chart for their area. This is used for determining what the transparency of the air is going to be for the evening, the cloud cover, what's known as seeing, which is kind of the amount of moisture in the air, whether or not the air looks kind of like a mirage or if it's clean and crisp. All of these are very important when deciding to go observing. My next page is an equipment page, and it discusses some of the fears or concerns people might have when looking to buy a telescope. And there are internal links here using anchor tags that show some of the major types of telescopes. Each of these sections also has external links that provide more information on each of these different types of telescopes. This is just a general overview that kind of explains why they're built the way they are and maybe what some of the advantages and the general costs of each. Followed by a summation of kind of what to do with all of this information, as to which one might be right for one person or what might be good for another. On the Navigating the Sky page, there's, again, a brief introduction to different ways to find out more information on the subject, how telescopes are actually used to find different objects, and how objects in general are found in the sky. Below are two floating images that help describe some of these different alignment methods. There's also external links within the text to provide more information for the user. The Software Tools page has two unordered lists that list software for the Android phone platform as well as PCs. Each list item has a brief description of what the software does or how it can be beneficial for amateur astronomy. Other resources page, which is similar, except it has an unordered list of websites that are useful for astronomy-related things. My astrophotography page explains some of the different methods of astrophotography. There's quite a few, along with several other external and internal links to provide more information. Below is several tables actually that display some of my pictures that I've taken my telescopes using some of the methods described on this page. And I have a contact page with a JavaScript pop-up message asking people to leave a message. There's three form objects, or three form fields: a name, email, and the actual message field, along with an animated little happy and sad animated earth. If we were to fill out this form, let's see. Let's just say that when we submit the form, this is using P script through CGI to translate these three form fields into a formatted email. This is the JavaScript pop-up message when we leave the page, and this is the CSS formatted confirmation page with the user's name in line, thanking them for their feedback, with the message that they typed below. Now we can check the email to show that we received it from the email address that the user sent. The message is in line here. And that's it. Alright, that's my site, and thank you.